Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to print Google documents and different methods. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. So dito lang sa ating Chrome web browser, and then dito lang sa upper right side, ay kailangan mo nag-click tong Google Apps, and then scroll down, and then sinik lang natin tong Google Documents, click mo lang ito, and then sinik lang tayo ng ating example. Alright, so kung paano ba tayo mag-print and different method, so napakadali lang naman. Dito lang sa left side ay kailangan mo lang i-click tong file, and then scroll down, and then select mo lang tong print, and then ito na siya. Right, so makikita mo dito yung destination, so i-click mo lang ito kung saan mo siya isi-save o i-print. Kung print to PDF, save as PDF, at marami pang iba. Right, and the next method na pwede natin gawin, dito lang din sa taas ay makikita mo dito yung print icon, so i-click mo lang ito. And then dito na siya, okay? So, select ka lang ulit dito yung print to PDF, save as PDF, at marami pang iba. Ito na siya. Right, and the last method na pwede natin gawin, dito lang sa ating keyboard, ay press mo lang yung Ctrl plus P. Ayan, so pop up ka agad dito. Ito yung shortcut ng print mga kaibigan. Okay, so same destination, and then click mo lang tong arrow na to kung saan mo siya isi-save, print to PDF, save as PDF, at marami pang iba. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple kung paano tayo mag-print ng Google Documents and different method. Alright, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.